Look at me. We're gonna be okay. You can miss me.
Part of the journey is the end. I'm not even tripping for it. Everything's gonna work out exactly the way it's supposed to. I love you 3000.